In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the PMT function in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and get a blank worksheet ready. The PMT function is used to calculate the periodic payment for a loan or an investment when the interest rate stays constant and the number of payments is fixed. In simple terms, it helps you figure out how much you'll pay each month or each period over time. This makes it especially useful for things like mortgage payments, car loans, personal loans, and even certain savings plans. To understand how it works, let's walk through a loan example. Imagine you borrow $500,000 at an annual interest rate of 8%, and the loan term is 5 years. In Excel, you can use the PMT function to calculate the monthly payment for that loan. The key thing to remember is that PMT needs the rate and the number of payments in matching units. Since this is a monthly payment example, the annual interest rate needs to be converted into a monthly rate. That's why you divide 8% by 12. And because 5 years contains 60 months, you also multiply 5 by 12 to get the total number of payments. So the structure of the formula is based on 3 main parts: the interest rate per period, the total number of payment periods, and the present loan amount. When entering the loan amount, it's often written as a negative number, so the result appears as a positive payment value, which is easier to read. Next, if you want to make your worksheet more flexible, use cell references instead of typing the numbers directly into the formula. For example, place the loan amount in cell A2, the annual interest rate in B2, and the number of years in C2. This lets you update the numbers later without rebuilding the formula from scratch. Then enter the PMT formula using those cell references. Type equals PMT, then open parentheses, B2 divided by 12, comma, C2 multiplied by 12, comma, negative A2, and then close the parentheses. This tells Excel to use the monthly interest rate, the total number of monthly payments, and the loan amount. Once you press Enter, Excel will return the monthly payment. In this example, the result is approximately $10,138.20 per month. That's how to use the PMT function in Excel. It's a quick and reliable way to calculate recurring payments, and using cell references makes the formula much easier to reuse in future spreadsheets.